truck. This is our truck 45451 Crete. Really pretty truck, new 2020. It's nice. We got it brand new. Got the nice LED light. And there's our truck. It's nice and baby. Yep. So me and my dad, we are a team truck driver for Crete. And we've been on a couple of trips already. We've been out for 2 weeks, and this will be our first vlog video. Hopefully I can keep this up. While I'm driving, I can't record much, but I'll see if my dad can record when I'm driving, and I'll record when he's driving. And hopefully you guys get to see what we do out here on the road, and you know, follow us around the United States as we you know, pick up loads and drop off shipment for people, and get the groceries to the stores, and get everything that people need to where they need to be. There's my dad. He's eating some avocado. Yep, some avocado. Good. There's our bunk bed. I sleep up here. Dad sleeps down there. And yeah, right now the time is 7:46 here in Tampa, Florida. And yep, we're just waiting to get loaded and headed to Pennsylvania. Pretty cold outside. It's about 30 something degree outside right now. So just waiting to get loaded. I'll see you guys on the road. We're good to go? Yeah. So we got our bills. We are ready to rock and roll. We just gotta put in our loading call. My dad's checking the trailer, and we're ready to rock. See you guys in a bit. Gotta go to our terminal to pick up our license plate, because our truck is new and we haven't had our license plate yet. So we're here at the DeLand terminal. Just got our driver's license, or our license plate for the truck. Dad's putting it on now. Cần phải lâu gì chứ không?
Lâu lấy tờ giấy. Lấy tờ giấy ha.
Yeah. Không có fingernail. There you go. This is the New York HUD sticker. Anytime you pass through New York, you gotta have one of these, baby. Otherwise, you get in trouble. Yeah, back. Looks good. I know it's kind of weird to have a yellow tag on there, but it is what it is. All right. Well, we got what we need. So now we're about to head back out again, back on the road, straight to our first fuel stop in South Carolina. That's our little tool compartment where we keep our tools. This place is pretty small. That's the shop. And then there's the office on the other side. And there's all the trailers and truck. There's some trailers on the floor. It's kind of weird. But we're ready to go. So we're taking our rest break right now. We got about 898 more miles to go till we hit Pennsylvania. Check this out. Wow, we got some barbecue ribs we made yesterday. We keep in the pot, keeping it warm. Barbecue sauce, that was amazing. Look at that. Oh yeah. And then we got some white rice. Yeah, người Việt Nam phải ăn như vậy nè.
Kimchi.
Kimchi Korean too.
Yeah.
Yeah, bỏ vô. Not kimchi, seaweed. Seaweed, not kimchi. Yes sir. Ok, rồi giờ mình ăn thôi. Ui da, cơm nóng trắng đẹp. Nhìn thật trắng ghê. Chơi luôn. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nhìn hấp dẫn. Yep. Đang đậu ở rest stop. We're at a rest area on I-95. We're just past or just in Jacksonville right now. We're getting towards Jacksonville in a rest area. Taking our break here, eating barbecue rib and white rice. Yep. Oh, không cần nước mắm. Thank you. Ok, chúc ăn ngon miệng nha. Alright. Wish everyone a good meal if you're eating at home. Chúc mọi người ngon miệng. Giờ mình ăn. Oh yeah, check that out. Mình không có cái tripod để mình để cái phone, thì mình để ngay đó. Nó hơi không thấy vậy. Yeah, cọc trắng như vậy. Cơm trắng ngon. Ngon hết thảy. Alright, we got our hours back. Get ready to start rolling again. Got we're halfway down on our fuel. Gotta start getting fuel soon. Our next fuel stop is South Carolina. Is Dad getting ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, guys. We'll see you on the road. we're at a TA right now. Fueling. Đang đổ xăng. Đổ xăng xong rồi. We just filled up, we're ready to rock. Probably gonna go inside. There's some food, Popeyes, Taco Bell and stuff. See what we can eat. Gonna feel death as well. Alright, all hot. Finished filling up and everything. Gonna go inside, get something to drink, get some refreshment, use the restroom. Maybe switch over. Oh, it's cold here. Whew. Let's go. Got refreshment, went to the restroom. I'm getting some Popeyes. Maybe we get a box of Popeyes for me and my dad for the week, for today and tomorrow. Sounds good. I got Popeyes. Oh, Dad is back in the truck. That's nice. Some Popeyes for the night. Let's go. Got 1 hour 49 minutes left to drive. Probably. Chắc đổi đi hả? Chắc còn có tiếng 49 phút rồi.
Đủ giờ ba đi lên chợ nào?
Chắc ba chạy tối mà không có traffic thì chắc tới 591 mile. Yeah. Nhìn hấp dẫn này.
Gan này ngon.
Rồi đổi cha. Ăn nha. Rồi ăn xong no. Ở phiên ba chạy. Super Trucker. We're going on I-95 North. Still got 591 miles to go. Just finished filling at the TA here in Manning, South Carolina. We'll probably be in Pennsylvania sometime tomorrow morning, early morning, depending on traffic and how fast we can roll. Thì ba mới nói tiếng Việt Nam. So mình còn 591 mile nữa. Tính ra cây số là gần ngàn mấy cây số luôn hả? 1.001 cây số.
Trước đây là 1.700 cây số.
1.700 cây số rồi về nguyên chiến luôn hả? Bây giờ đang đi tiếp còn 591 mile là còn 1.001 cây số. Nói chung là 1.001 cây số. Đang ở trong phạm vi của tiểu bang South Carolina. Chắc đi chừng một chút nữa, chừng tiếng nữa rồi vô North Carolina. Giờ là chạy qua đêm. Right now giờ là 6 giờ. 6 giờ. So 6 giờ đêm. Chạy chừng tới 6 giờ sáng ngày mai là sẽ tới North Carolina. mới ăn no bụng rồi, có trà nóng rồi, có Red Bull trong tủ lạnh, rồi có sữa đồ này kia nữa, cho nên đêm nay là sẽ gồng để tới. We're gonna make it tonight, boys. Nói chứ chạy buổi đêm á, nó sướng tại nó mát, ít xe, bớt nó có một cái là mình có thể buồn ngủ, đúng không? Yeah. Chỉ có điều đó thôi, bớt nếu mà ban ngày ngủ được rồi, hay là có đủ giấc ngủ thì buổi tối đi thì cũng không có tới nổi. Mà tối cái challenge của chạy buổi tối là cái chuyện ngủ, còn challenge chạy ban ngày là cái chuyện xe cộ, traffic từ này kia, người đông đấy. Anyway, ngoài đường buổi tối thì không có bao nhiêu để thấy hết, tối lắm. Để coi. You got it? You got it? Good? Alright. All night driving, baby. Let's go. Mới bỏ cái trailer, cái trailer hàng, bây giờ đang đi kiếm cái trailer mà không có hàng rồi, gọi là cái empty trailer, để cho mình hook up để mình tới cái nơi khác để mình lấy hàng thêm. Lạnh lắm. Giờ đang đợi công ty chấp nhận là mình để drop off, để mình đã làm xong cái việc đầu tiên của mình là mình bỏ cái trailer ở bên kia rồi. Bây giờ mình sẽ đi kiếm cái empty trailer khác để mình hook up, rồi xong mình sẽ đi. We found an empty trailer, we hooked up to it already. We did 1,033 miles for this load, so that's good. And so right now the time is 4:35. We're gonna take a little short break, rest up, get a little some sleep, and then we're gonna get up around 6 or get up around 6-7 o'clock and head to our next destination in York, Pennsylvania, to pick up the next load. Sounds good. At the terminal. Gonna call it a night.